If you want to learn how to plan your entire monthly bullet journal, calendars and weekly spreads included, in just 1 hour, this video is for you. Some parts are sped up so you can see the whole process clearly and quickly. Let's go straight into it. Welcome to Bullet Journaling with Eve and Happy New Year! I'm really grateful you are here. As we always do, we will start with materials. I'm using this Tsuki bullet journal from Notebook Therapy. These markers in different colors, a SIPA calligraphic pen, Unipin Pointliners in different sizes, a hoo-hoo acrylic markers in white and black, a pentel brush pen in red, and then a ruler and an eraser as well. I will place everything aside before we start and tell you more about this bullet journal. This is a bullet journal that I prepared for my friend Ines. If you missed this bullet journal setup video, I will link it here so you can check it out. But the general theme for this bullet journal setup was Snoopy. And now we will continue with this theme for January as well, because the January calendar is part of the same spread as the reading log I made for her. I will continue the Snoopy theme into January as well to stay in line with that. As you could see, I outlined the calendar with 0.8 Unipin Pointliner, and now I am drawing the days with 0.1 Unipin Pointliner. And with this pentel brush pen, I will just write January. And if you are interested in calligraphy, I will link my calligraphy video tutorial here so you can check it out. And you can find some worksheets that you can download there as well. When you look at this calendar, the calendar is already done. Now we will create the first weekly spread. This weekly spread will contain 12 boxes. 11 of them will be for days, and one of them will be a space for decoration. You can use that last unused space for whatever else you would like to add to your spread. For example, for a calendar or a tracker. But you can use it for a decoration as well, which is what I will do. And then with this circle ruler, I will draw little circles. And these will be spaces where I will write the date of each day. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and check the notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. I will be showing you 2 bullet journals for this year. So my personal bullet journal and this bullet journal that I created for my friend Ines. So you have something to look forward to, and that is twice as much bullet journaling content. Now, back to our video. You can see that I created boxes for each day. And now I will color the Snoopy on snow. Drawing Snoopy is really easy. All it takes is drawing some circles and oval shapes, and if you want a tutorial on how to do it, I can make that for you as well. Now in the left corner of my page you can see that I wrote that this spread should start on a Thursday. But as you can see, I messed up and mark the first day as Monday. Luckily, this is something that I can easily fix by using an acrylic marker, and I'm using this Ohuhu Nahuku acrylic brush marker to fix this. And in the end, I really like how this looks, because it looks like there is some snow on these pages, and I'm really happy with this. Next, I will write the dates using the bullet tip of this black Ohuhu acrylic marker. And when I have checked to make sure everything is dry, I can move on the next spread. So, if you make any mistakes, you can easily fix them. For the second week, I will go with a horizontal layout. I will have 4 days on the left page, 3 days on the right page, and on the right page The last horizontal line will be for my decoration. As you can see, I already drew that one with 0.3 Unipin Pointliner. Now I will write the dates for each day with a red pentel brush pen. And the next spread is done as well. As you can see, it was really quick. And let's go to the next one. Here I will draw this Snoopy that is happily dancing and listening to music. Here we will have 8 boxes, but one of them is, as you can see, used for a decoration already. And now I will just write the first 3 letters of each day, and then I will draw lines that will separate daily logs. And on the side, I will write a date. And if you want, you can use that line as, for example, hour trackers. And you can write the time, so you can time block the tasks for that day, hour by hour. And now let's go to the last spread. The last spread is this one, that will contain 8 boxes again. And one of them is the 1st of February. Here I included 2 decorations, and that is this Snoopy that is looking forward to something, and this cool Snoopy that I have in the right corner of my page. With the SIPA calligraphic pen, I wrote the first 3 letters of each day, and then I also wrote the dates with this red pentel brush pen. Then I will just color everything, and then I realized that this should end with Sunday, so I erased the Monday that I had at the bottom part. And now I will just write notes there, because there is a space that you can use for anything. If you want, you can include weekly actions here, etc. Okay, now everything is done, so let's look back at what we have created today together. So, first, we have this wonderful calendar where you have a larger space to write. And I didn't include any decoration here because I already have a decoration in my reading log. Then I have this spread with a decoration in the top left corner, and I have 5 days on one page and 6 days on another. Then I have the second weekly spread where we have horizontal daily logs and this wonderful decoration in the bottom part of the page. The next weekly spread has 8 spaces, where one is used for decoration, and I have these lines that separate the days and dates that are on the left of each day, and then this wonderful drawing of Snoopy. The last spread contains 2 drawings of Snoopy, and again a really simple horizontal weekly spread that is decorated with some gentle lines, and that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss any of my future videos. And please write me a comment down below which of these you would prefer or use in your bullet journal. And I will see you in the next one when we will work on weekly spreads for my personal bullet journal for January. Bye!